Locking your Facebook profile enhances your privacy by restricting access to your content for non friends. If you are unable to find the lock profile option, then simply follow these steps. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your Facebook account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon option available in the top right corner of your screen to navigate to your profile page. So now once you're on your profile page, simply tap on the three dot option available right next to the edit profile. Now scroll down, and if you have your professional mode toggled on, then turn off that. Then tap on the lock your profile option available there. Now tap on the lock your profile, and a confirmation option will be available, and simply tap on the OK. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.